Hello guys, this is a pencil calligraphy of the letter M only, but most of them hardly used by all the calligraphers around the world. So this is the innovatives different persons have in their mind. So this is just a video you can see, you can enjoy it, but implementation of such styles is not mandatory, or rather it's not done everywhere in every type of calligraphy art, or wherever you're writing, or wherever the script is written.